So, but you have a lot of friends who are star kids.
Yeah.
And they are very good. You have a very tight little knit
Yeah.
group. And very close to each other in happy times, good times, bad times, all the times.
Yeah.
And that's a beautiful thing to see. But do you kind of, what is your thought process on these kind of statements that come out? Like the fact that, you are someone who has absolutely no background in the film. You
Yeah.
come from no backgrounds of that sort.
Yeah.
So this comparison and this ongoing battle.
I have two takes on it. One is, ऐसा producer का है यार, उसको जिसको लेना है वो उसको लेगा.
Right.
But my other thought process is also that stop shoving shit down our throats. As an audience, I'm talking about. You yourself know that this person, किसी का भी बेटा हो, बेटी हो, is not a good performer. Then why? Why are you shoving this person down people's throats when people are rejecting it honestly?
You said that you cannot be as vulnerable enough to go out there and ask for work. But I want to know, sometimes ऐसा लगा कि यार I was unfit, I needed more people, connections in the industry, तो शायद से मेरे को ज़्यादा अच्छे से backing मिल जाती.
अगर वैसा होता तो मामला कुछ अलग ही होता. If I had that backing and everything, the मामला कुछ definitely अलग होता. I think Siddhant Chaturvedi had put it in a very nice way.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
जहाँ से इनकी struggle शुरू होती वहाँ हमारे सपने पूरे होते हैं, which is an absolute fact. It's like अगर तुमने कुछ achieve कर लिया हो ना, या तुम में कोई talent है जो किसी ने देख लिया कहीं पे, तो तुम उस मुकाम पे पहुँचते हो, that you get a meeting with an XYZ person. अगर वैसी backing होती तो आज मामला कुछ और ही हुआ होता. But having said that, it is important to be a little more aggressive, to be a little more out there, to be in people's eye.
Namaste Darshako, I am Manjari Mukherjee and you're watching me on Not So Mainstream, streaming exclusively on Pop Diaries channel. Well, I am bringing yet another unconventional journey and the guest बहुत प्यारा है. I think he's the most desirable man. Yeah, he's been termed the most desirable man, but he's more than that, guys, because याद है, he came into our hearts with एक छोटी सी love story, but खेल में कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा नहीं जगह कर लिया है अपने लिए हमारे दिलों में. तो well, without further ado, let's call upon the one and only, very talented, versatile, and the one who's here to stay, the one and only Aditya Seal. Welcome.
Thank you, Manjari, for having me. And those were really kind words. I get very uncomfortable when people say nice things about me. But thank you, it was nice.
Why is it that every person who's doing qualitative work, everyone that I've sat down on this couch with for a podcast, they're like कि यार बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा ईगो कर दिया, बलून जैसा फूल गया, इतना प्रेज हमसे हजम नहीं होता.
दो चीज भी बोलते तभी मुझसे हजम नहीं होता. I'm very uncomfortable taking compliments. I just don't know why. I just cannot take compliments. I get very shy. I get very uncomfortable. I just don't feel I deserve it.
अरे no. I don't think that can work out. You completely deserve it, okay? And I think खेल में the kind of massive love that's coming towards the movie, it's an example of that same thing. And in a way, I completely agree that it's a slow, but there's a steady success happening at the box office when it comes to खेल में.
I agree.
And many people that I have, my colleagues and all in the industry, journalists and all, सब लोग ने एक ही चीज बोला है कि यार movie, word of mouth की वजह से चली है.
Correct.
Because people who've gone to see it, they've come out and said कि बहुत entertain हुए हैं. Yeah.
True.
And I also have heard this, and I think personally I also somewhere agree to it कि अगर it would have got, that single release rather than a clash, it would have done wonders.
I do agree with you. I think the film is made very fantastically. जब मैंने पहली बार भी देखी, मैं मुदस्सर सर के ऑफिस में था, मैंने वो फिल्म वहाँ पे देखी, and I walked out and I was ecstatic. Firstly, there was a bit of confusion in my head because when we were shooting it, तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि it's gonna be like a comedy film. So there's intense drama and all of that was happening because the scenes were, intense like that.
तरीके से,
Exactly. तो मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था ये कॉमेडी है. फिर जब मैंने फिल्म देखी, मैंने कहा obviously it's a मुदस्सर written film, it's a मुदस्सर directed film, so it has to have that elements of comedy. So I was pleasantly surprised and I was taken aback and I was extremely happy. I said, यार ये तो 2 hours some minutes की film है and I've just walked through it, and I was over the moon. There was a little worry about Stree coming out at that time, but because the product was so nice, it didn't bother me. I said, जो होना है वो होगा, हमने ये फिल्म अच्छी बनाई है, अब वो numbers जो भी करे, that is nothing in our hands. But it's been such a fabulous experience. I've been to the theater 2 times. I just wanted to see what the people were reacting like and किस बात पे हंस रहे थे, क्या हो रहा था. And genuinely, the points that I was thinking that maybe we'll get a laughter over here, people have cracked up. There are some friends who were in London, तो वो भी फिल्म देखने गए. उन्होंने मेरे सीन का एक वीडियो भेजा, and I can hear people in the background just properly cracking up. I said, this is a victory for us.
Absolutely.
Yeah, it's going to be one of those films that people will remember कि क्या film बनाई थी, and it's going to be assumed that this film has done fantastically well in numbers because the film is so good.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And just like I said, I truly think that, it deserved happening, it deserved to happen a single release.
Yeah.
सचमुच में, I really do feel कि this would have done real good numbers.
I do agree, but we're getting a lot of love, so I'm
that is also true.
I'm
yeah,
very happy.
I mean, it's a win at the end of the day.
Yes.
So it's fine. It's completely okay.
Yes.
And I think in a way, it's also a victory that even with Stree,
Yeah.
the kind of, it has its own history, right?
Correct.
It has its own fan
Of course.
following, the
I'm a
franchise
fan.
itself.
I'm a fan of
Exactly.
the
So
franchise.
even with that in the box office, this is doing so well.
Yeah,
It's
we're
just
doing steady.
Yeah, exactly. And that is also a victory in a way.
Yeah, my mom went yesterday again with another bua of mine. So she went yesterday, and मुझे वहीं से messages आ रहे हैं कि it is 75% full the theater यहीं अंधेरी में. And I said कि okay. मैंने जिससे भी सुना अभी तक we are hitting 75% to 80% capacity. I said that is great. Distributors खुश होंगे कि हाँ हमने लगाया ही इतना है, and if they are going full, we are okay.
Absolutely. खेल में से ये बात आई कि recently there's this trend where people are saying कि यार OG Bollywood missing है movies में से.
Okay.
I don't know how much you agree, but there are re-releases happening of पुराने Bollywood films, right? So they are saying कि these are coming back only because of the fact that the movies that are coming out now don't have that OG Bollywood, that factor.
Yeah.
वो जो हम लोग को फील करा है कि यार थिएटर में गए मस्त सी बढ़िया सी बॉलीवुड एंटरटेनमेंट मूवी देख कर आए. How much do you agree to that?
I sort of do, because of late, I hate saying this because it's my profession, but of late मेरा मन नहीं करता कि मैं जाके थिएटर्स में फिल्म देखूं. I have reduced watching films in theaters. I don't know why. And I don't know, I can't pinpoint on what the reason is, but maybe this is making sense because even with खेल में जिससे भी जिन्होंने भी reviews भी दिए ना, they said कि it's one of those like जो पुरानी फिल्म होती थी, garam masalas and this and that and all of that. I said okay, then people are genuinely wanting films like that, and probably today we're not able to deliver what the audience wants, or we still don't understand what people honestly want. हमें एक चीज समझ में आई थी जब पैंडेमिक के बाद suddenly when there was an influx of big films, and because एक चल गई तो उसके पीछे फिर वो रेलगाड़ी निकल गई कि हाँ बड़ी फिल्में चल रही हैं, बड़ी फिल्में बनाते रहो, and then eventually that's not what the audience was. It's a flavor that people have liked for a bit, but you can't keep giving the same thing to them. And audience बड़ी smart हो गई है, and I'm very happy about that. They are loving content, which I think was such a necessity. अगर आप देखो भी तो 12th Fail, आप लापता लेडीज देख लो, these films, अब श्रीकांत देख लो, माही देख लो, these films are all content driven films and they have done fantastically well.
Exactly. And it's a very happy time, people say that box office has become very unpredictable. Obviously it has. And this has two factors in it. I will tell you my experience also. The way how I look at it when I am watching movies, I don't know a lot about filmmaking and etc. I watch movie as a pure audience, and then I watch it. If I'm entertained, if I'm completely involved in the character, their growth, their arc, and the story, I'm loving the film.
Yeah,
that's enough for me. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता lighting ठीक थी या नहीं थी.
वो तो हमें भी समझ नहीं आता.
So for me, that is the main factor, and I enjoy films like that. Now it comes to box office, and that becomes very unpredictable, you know. I think वहाँ पे लोग कभी कभार, you know, they go wrong, especially directors or producers. They start taking the pressure of the box office, because the box office not only, and even for actors, I feel they've started taking pressure of the box office numbers, because
Yeah.
somehow in these days it makes or breaks a person.
It does.
And it's a very, I feel it's an unfair thought as well sometimes, but then वो reality है अभी के लिए.
है you know, मेरा issue क्या है? मतलब यार, I usually tend to put my foot in my mouth, but I'll still say this. You know, पहले फिल्में जो बनती थी, you're talking about 90s and the period before that,
Yes.
you know, made with heart. Absolute
Yeah.
heart. एक प्रोड्यूसर होता था, वो अपने पैसे लगाता था, उसकी कन्विक्शन होती थी कि हाँ ये स्टोरी है और इस स्टोरी में ये एक्टर फिट बैठता है. He wouldn't see कि बॉस सबसे ज्यादा नंबर कौन लेके आएगा मेरे लिए, सबसे ज्यादा पैसा कौन कमा के देगा मेरे लिए. इफ दिस स्टोरी इज फिटिंग ए सर्टेन एक्टर, व्हाई गिव इट टू एन एक्टर हु यू थिंक माइट गेट मोर मनी आउट ऑफ इट. दैट्स वैसी फिल्में नहीं बनती थी. वो एक्टर्स सूट करने चाहिए थे, वो राइटर सूट करना चाहिए था, वो गाना सूट करना चाहिए था, वैसे फिल्में बनती थी. Studio setup has definitely helped Bollywood a lot. We have a lot more number of films that are being made, but मुझे इशू सिर्फ इस बात का है that because I know quite a few of them and I've spoken to them very closely, मुझे इशू इस बात का है.
Thankfully it won't come in the mic.
It won't come?
No.
How?
Noise cancelling.
noise cancelling.
It itself blocks all the noise other than the one that you're talking about.
रियल
Noise
है,
reduction.
बहुत रियल है, खर्चा किया है. Anyway, so I was saying that so my issue is that nowadays a lot of people are story बाद में सुनेंगे. They'll be like, अच्छा पैसा कितना लगेगा, कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इतना होगा. फॉर एग्जांपल XYZ नंबर बोल रहा है, अच्छा ये एक्टर इतना मुझे लाके नहीं दे पाएगा, ये एक्टर पे मैं इतनी बड़ी फिल्म माउंट नहीं कर सकता, इसको ले लो, भले वो सूट करे ना करे उस रोल को,
Exactly.
तुम इसको ले लो. अरे बट जो कोई लिख रहा है एक फिल्म, he's seeing the film in a certain way. जो कोई डायरेक्ट करने वाला, he's seeing the film in a certain way. You can't just because you feel this person is gonna get you more money miscast the film.
Exactly.
फिर तो गई ना फिल्म आपकी.
And I agree.
तो ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत होती है.
अभी और भी ज्यादा.
Exactly.
Even especially I think because of the era that we are living in, which it's called the social media era.
Yeah.
Everything, you know, it all comes down to followers, numbers, popularity.
Yeah.
And people are actually, you know, recently there was a casting director also who actually sat down and he spoke about this whole thing, and he said that sometimes we have to cast people of the social media who have more number of followers and popularity,
Yeah.
because they will bring in the numbers in the theaters. That
Yeah.
is the myth, that is the thought right now.
Yeah.
But I still feel that if I am someone who's going to watch a movie,
Yeah.
I will watch a movie based on the very fact that I'm getting entertained or not.
Yeah.
If I like the trailer, if I like the story, I would go and invest in it.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the day, entertain होकर ही आना है.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Exactly.
Yeah. If you're fit for a role, dare they cast somebody else for it, yeah.
Exactly.
You would do justice to the role. You would do justice to the film. Eventually, the लापता ladies में क्या हुआ? Tell me, apart from Ravi Kishan sir, उनके अलावा how many more named characters were there? बड़े characters थे
Exactly.
that were, you know, audience pullers. No, they were still relatively newcomers, and just seeing a film अच्छी लगी ना आपको.
True.
You went and watched it because the film was nice, not because XYZ actor था उसमें.
Yeah.
अब तो यार तुम even if you like certain actor, if you feel the film is not looking apt, you won't go. I don't go. I have a lot of actors that I like. I don't go watch their films because it's not suiting.
Absolutely. And I think that has also kind of, you know, made the competition very fierce out there. Like, I would want to actually ask you, somewhere you are also content driven
Yeah.
actor, right?
Yeah.
So you always choosing unique roles or roles that definitely differ from the one that you've already done.
Yeah.
And they are challenging you also as a person and as an actor.
Yeah.
But how do you also tackle this competition that is happening outside that thought process? Because at the end of the day, काम भी तो लेना होगा ना.
I don't give a shit. Competition में मैं तो पढ़ता नहीं हूँ. I don't really care about it. I just care about what what I am doing. It needs to give me happiness and satisfaction. That's why I don't even get into these numbers वाला कि अरे फिल्म ने कितना कमाया, कितना कर रही है. मुझे कई लोग पूछ रहे थे कि shit your film is releasing tomorrow, you know, what are you feeling? I said nothing. I'm very happy. मैंने फिल्म देख ली है. I'm ecstatic about what we have done. numbers करना मेरा काम था ही नहीं वैसे भी. numbers लेके आना, audience को pull करना मेरा काम था ही नहीं. मेरा काम था you hired me to do this job, to be this character, and I did that according to what the director wanted. That is my thing. I don't care too much about this competition outside. You know, if I start concentrating on that, I'll start feeling jealous of a lot of other people, and that's not how I am built. You deserve, it could be whoever, you deserve what you deserve. You haven't taken away my roles because it was never meant for me. जो मेरा होना था वो मेरा ही है. जो मुझे ये फिल्म भी मिली खेल खेल में, ये बहुत रैंडम चीज़ हुई मेरे साथ. आई हैव नोन मुदस्सिर सिंस अ व्हाइल, एंड हम एक फिल्म साथ में करने वाले थे, वो नहीं हुई उस टाइम पे. He went and casted somebody else, and which was the right decision that he made. हमारी दोस्ती रही, but I'm not somebody who can very easily keep in touch. मुझे ये काम मांगना मुझसे पता नहीं क्यों नहीं होता, but that just hold me back. So मैं मुदस्सिर से एक बर्थडे पार्टी में मिला, and he started abusing me. बोल रहा है कि यार तू मुझसे मिलता क्यों नहीं, तुमने मुझे फोन क्यों नहीं किया अभी तक, हम तो दोस्त है ना. मैंने कहा हाँ, but मुझसे ये नहीं होता. So that's how we reconnected. That's how I worked on a film of his, which should be releasing sometime, hopefully this year. And because I did that film, is why he thought I could pull off Khel Khel Mein. So that's how it actually happened.
Wow.
Yeah.
Then तो मतलब, I mean, I completely I should ask you. You know, recently someone, a celebrity, I think everybody would know once I say this.
Okay.
She kind of mocked, you know, the Star Kids as someone dumb. People who don't know anything.
Am I thinking what you are thinking?
Yes.
Okay.
You're thinking the same
Yeah.
thing.
Okay.
I mean, usual name, obviously. So, but you have a lot of friends who are Star Kids.
Yeah.
And they are very good. You have
Yeah.
a very tight little knit
Yeah.
group. And very close to each other in happy times, good times, bad times, all the times.
Yeah.
And that's a beautiful thing to see. But do you kind of, you know, what is your thought process on these kind of statements that come out? Like the fact that, you know, you are someone who has absolutely no background in the film. You
Yeah.
come from no backgrounds of that sort.
Yeah.
So this comparison and this ongoing battle.
I have two takes on it. One is पैसा प्रोड्यूसर का है यार, उसको जिसको लेना है वो उसको लेगा.
Right.
But my other thought process is also that stop shoving shit down our throats. As an audience, I'm talking about. You yourself know that this person, किसी का भी बेटा हो बेटी हो, is not a good performer. Then why? Why are you shoving this person down people's throats when people are rejecting it honestly? But because you have made a certain star value out of XYZ person, there is some certain market value associated with this person. I understand why people are still, you know, watching them. But put the same amount of effort in somebody who genuinely has raw talent. He or she is going to soar high.
You know, one thought came into my mind. We were talking about Lapata Ladies, and I was very sad to see the kind of you know collection it did in the box office. Now people say that box office doesn't matter, but at the end of the day, लोग उसी चीज से judge करते हैं film successful हुई या नहीं हुई.
नहीं, वो फिल्म हिट है. ऐसी फिल्मों को आप कभी नहीं बोलोगे कि I'll tell you. मेरी मुदस्सिर सर से बात हुई थी. Alright?
Okay.
अभी कुछ दिन पहले की बात है. I won't take the name of the films, but I will tell you the reference that he was talking about. So he was talking to another director producer, और he said कि मुदस्सिर तुमको वो वाली फिल्म याद है XYZ? बोला याद है. बोला उसकी स्टोरी बताओ. बोला स्टोरी तो मुझे याद नहीं. बोला उसका कलेक्शन बताओ. बोल रहा हाँ करीब 130 हुआ था. बोल रहा ओके ठीक है. बोला तुम्हें ये दूसरी फिल्म इसकी स्टोरी याद है? बोल रहा हाँ मुझे टॉप से लेकर एंड तक याद है. बोल रहा उसका कलेक्शन कितना हुआ? बोल रहा है पता नहीं, बट पिक्चर तो हिट थी. बोल रहा ना, इस पिक्चर ने 19 करोड़ किए थे, बट यू हैव अ परसेप्शन दैट बिकॉज द फिल्म वाज सो गुड दैट इट वाज अ हिट. So when there are films like Lapata Ladies, you don't give a shit about box office numbers. It's a great film. It'll always be respected. It'll always be considered a hit.
Wow,
Yeah.
super. I wish that people could also think like that though. I mean, this is something that you're talking about, an industry person who's saying like that.
Yeah.
Because we watch films in that way.
Yeah.
I also, the reason why I said that I felt sad that it did not do that well in the box office, because that determined that there were a lot of people who did not watch it. But then
Correct.
there was an enormous amount of people who watched it on OTT.
Yeah.
I mean, why are we not trusting newcomers, new talent? At the end of the day, these are also people whom we are watching on OTT as well.
Yeah.
So, us cheez se I was like kind of, you know, a little sad.
Yeah.
And that kind of really made me feel like, you know, we need to appreciate raw talent out there.
Absolutely, yeah. The guy you're talking about, Sparsh Srivastav, what
Exactly.
a fabulous performer. And I had seen him in Jamtara. And I
Same.
was bowled over by him. I said, yaar, ye kya performer hai yaar,
Hmm.
ye aadmi, fabulous. And then I see him in this. I said, but beech mein kahan gaya tha yaar? He deserved a lot more
Exactly.
work because he's so good. He can pull it off very easily. But I don't understand. And it's not that the audience didn't like him. Just the people who are putting in money are skeptical, are scared. नहीं यार, अगर तुम अगर 10 रुपए किसी नॉन टैलेंटेड पे खर्च कर रहे हो तो 5 इस पे भी करके देखो ना फिर.
But I feel that in that way now, when I'm also looking at your graph as well, you
Yeah.
said that you cannot be as vulnerable enough to go out there and, you know, ask for work. But I want to know, you are doing very notable characters since
Yeah.
the time of your debut. You have done films that, you know, people will not do very easily, and you are putting it out there, your talent, everything, your
Yeah.
screen presence, and it's amazing. People are loving you. When they are watching you, they are loving you in that character. So, do you feel that this whole particular thing about wanting work and getting work is also happening because, you know, people are there at the right time, at the right place, surrounded by the right kind of people? Sometimes ऐसा लगा कि यार I was unfit, I needed more people, connections in the industry, तो शायद से मेरे को ज़्यादा अच्छे से backing मिल जाती.
अगर वैसा होता तो मामला कुछ अलग ही होता. If I had that backing and everything, the मामला कुछ definitely अलग होता. I think Siddhant Chaturvedi had put it in a very nice way.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
जहाँ से इनकी struggle शुरू होती वहाँ हमारे सपने पूरे होते हैं, which is an absolute fact.
That's
I
very true.
mean, I remember the first time I met. Chalo, let me take Karan's name. I remember the first time I met Karan, and I was like, I was pinching myself. I said, यार ये तो मैं सपने में सोचता हूँ यार कि एक दिन I would sit across him, forget working with him, not working with him, but just to get a meeting with somebody of that stature is like अगर तुमने कुछ अचीव कर लिया हो ना, या तुम में कोई टैलेंट है जो किसी ने देख लिया कहीं पे, तो तुम उस मुकाम पे पहुंचते हो, that you get a meeting with an XYZ person.
Exactly.
तो अगर वैसी बैकिंग होती तो आज मामला कुछ और ही हुआ होता. But having said that, it is important to be a little more aggressive, to be a little more out there, to be in people's eye. कि आपको constantly, you know, somewhere or the other, you need to be known, दिखाई देना चाहिए कहीं पे. तो it's just on top of people's mind because there are so many good talented people that have come in right now that if they forget you for 2 minutes, you will be replaced by somebody else who is equally more
Very
talented.
true. Very true. I completely agree with that thought.
It's such a race. It is so pressurizing. It is so pressurizing.
I know.
Kainath is sitting right here and she knows that even to give an answer I take so long because I feel so much pressure. I said, मुझे यार please तुम set पे ले जाओ, मुझे वहाँ पे तुम 25 घंटे काम करा लो दिन में, मैं वो करने को तैयार हूँ, but ये मुझसे बहुत मुश्किल होता है.
अरे
अपने आप को बेचना नहीं आता मुझे.
Arre, you don't have to do that. I think your work does that for you. But yeah, I agree to that part जहाँ पे, you know, having strong connections can give you a lot of. I
Absolutely.
feel that
Absolutely.
it happens in the industry a lot.
Yeah, it does.
But did you ever feel कि you were very? Did anybody ever make you feel there was any phase? क्योंकि ये मेरे साथ हुआ है. When I came into the media industry, I wasn't like that, I wasn't like this. So वो उस चक्कर में मैं कभी-कभार ऐसे feel की हूँ कि I am unfit for this kind of work and everything. But वो I think कहीं ना कहीं सब लोग ही अपने जिंदगी में वो feel करते हैं. Did you ever go through that kind of
that
phase?
I'm unfit for something like that?
Yeah, like somewhere you're feeling very unfit in that group of people. Like you're not fitting in somehow, and you're trying to fit in because हम बह जाते हैं, right, उस emotion में.
So ऐसा हुआ है मेरे साथ, but वो problem मेरी खुद की थी. Not that anybody's made me feel like that.
Same.
Yeah,
Same.
it was my lack of confidence in myself that I felt that on a film set. And but then when I look back and when I think about it, I said कि नहीं यार, director तो मेरे से बहुत अच्छे से बात कर रहा था. He was lovely to me. The actors were like really lovely to me. Why was I feeling? It was just because I made it bigger in my head. I'm talking about Student of the Year. I had a great time shooting for it, no issues at all. But it's a Dharma set, my first ever Dharma film. People only dream of something like this. Then you're working with a tiger. Then you have a Puneet, and there are 2 new girls. So I felt a little aloof because I wasn't in my comfort space because of my own issues.
Okay.
Nothing to do with what they did.
Same. I felt the same thing. I will take names actually. My first interview was with Ranbir Kapoor and Anushka Sharma.
God damn.
Yeah, exactly.
God damn.
And I was shit scared.
Hit it out of the park the first time.
I was shit scared because Ranbir had just become very angry on another publication for whatever reason. I didn't get it, but I just kept thinking that he's angry. He's very angry. He was all red in the face. And then he comes up and says, "Hi, I'm Ranbir Kapoor and you are." And I didn't know how to control myself after that. I was completely stoned. I feel like I was a stone that time. I was just speaking and I was just giving all the questions and they were answering. They were the one who were making sure that there was more content coming out of that interview.
Nice.
And they still complimented me. And उसमें अभी भी है actually शायद से बहुत सारे comments हैं कि interviewer पूरी तरीके से shock में चली गई है.
Obviously, yeah, the first time you're interviewing.
Exactly. And I am scared of cameras as well at that time.
यार मैं आज भी हो जाऊंगा यार. Every time I meet Alia, every time I meet Ranbir, because I've been a fan of theirs before I have known them.
Yeah.
I get that fanboy moment with them all the time. I get a little flustered with them because they are my absolute favorites. Absolute favorites. तो मेरे साथ भी कभी-कभार हो जाता है यार कि मतलब
Exactly. Yeah. So वो इंटरव्यू के बाद I kind of really felt कि यार ये मेरा सीन नहीं है शायद. But then I kind of really put in. I said कि चाहे कितने भी लोग बोले, मुझे करना है. Somehow I felt very excited.
You enjoyed it?
Yeah.
That is it.
Yeah, and then I kind of switched over, and the next time meeting Ranbir, and he's like, "You've done a complete 180-degree change. Now you're absolutely fluent." So it was nice.
See, I remember those times when I used to give my auditions, and let me tell you, I'm horrible with auditions.
Why?
I don't know. My worst performances come out when I'm auditioning for something. So बचपन की बात है ये. मैं अब बचपन क्या बोलूं मैं. Anyway, I must have been 10, 11, 12 or something like that. I used to go for auditions, and I used to suck. वहाँ पे ना बच्चे आते थे, अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देते थे पहले, and they used to be all like, "Hey, my name is this. I'm so many years old, and I've done this, and I've done that, and this is my right profile, my left profile." And I used to go in front of them, and I used to freeze. And I was like, "Hi, I'm Aditya Seal, and I'm 8 years old. I'm new. I haven't done any work." So I used to freeze over there. That happens all the time. But till the time you had fun doing it, I had a lot of fun being there. Though I shat when I was in front of the camera, but I had a lot of fun just being there. Is when I realized कि यार जिस चीज में काम करने में, जिस चीज में मजा आता है ना, वो एक पॉइंट के बाद आपको काम नहीं लगता. And then I reflected a lot on the film 3 Idiots, and I said कि यार मैंने वो टाइम वो फिल्म देखी थी, अब जाके समझ में आ रही है कि when you start doing things that you really really enjoy, it doesn't feel like work. I've done many of these things. मैं अपने मार्शल आर्ट्स ताइक्वांडो के लिए मैं बैंकॉक जा चुका हूँ, मैं साउथ कोरिया जा चुका हूँ, मैं रोज नवी मुंबई ट्रैवल करता था for years and years on end, and I used to sleep in the gymnasium that we had over there. कोई गद्दी वद्दी नहीं होती थी, हम ऐसे ही सो जाते थे, सुबह सुबह उठ के फिर ट्रेनिंग करनी है, and we were never tired. I don't remember one person saying that कि यार आज थक गए, though we have trained all day, just because you were loving what you were doing. It never ever feels like work. It's the same with acting. आप मुझे सुबह बोल लो कि सुबह उठ के हम जॉगिंग पे चलेंगे, मैं नहीं आऊँगा. But you tell me wake up at 6 in the morning and we have to be on set. Oh my God, I'll be so fresh because I enjoy doing this. It never feels like work. You will never hear about me being on set and complaining about anything of it because मुझे मजा आता है वहां पे. कई एक्टर्स का मैंने देखा भी है कि यार मुझे 2 घंटे से बैठा के रखा है, मुझे 3 घंटे से बैठा के रखा है. तो क्या हो गया, इतने साल तक तुम रुके हुए थे ना अपने ब्रेक के लिए, तब तो तुम क्रिब नहीं कर रहे थे, अब तुम्हें मौका मिल गया है, you have asked to wait for 2 or 3 hours. How does it matter? I had a very good learning experience when I was on Tumbin ka set. Kamaljeet sir, Kuku ji, वो शूट करे थे उस दिन. I was a part of that shot and some technical issues were happening, so Kuku ji had to wait for a while and उनका shot होते होते थोड़ी सी शाम हो गई थी. So my director, though being senior, Anubhav sir, went up to Kuku. Please sorry, हमें थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, टेक्निकल इश्यूज, that is why डिले हो गया. And Kamaljeet sir got pissed off. He said, how can you say sorry to me? How can you apologize to me? You have paid me to be here. 12 घंटे आपने मुझे पैसे दिए हैं यहाँ पे रहने के लिए. आप उतने में मुझसे काम करवाओ या मुझे बैठाओ, मेरा कोई हक नहीं आपको कुछ बोलने का. And that day I shut up. I said, he is so correct. I am paid to be here. I am paid to perform. But if you're not making me perform, I'm still paid to be here. आप jobs पे जाते हो, you do your 9 to 5. अगर तुमको किसी ने बोल दिया कि मत करो काम, आज बैठे रहो, won't you be happy? You're not being made to work, but you're still getting paid. Exactly. How can you complain about waiting for 2-3 hours? होते हैं यार issues film set पे. It's such a huge crew. You cannot complain about just being made to wait, especially when you're being paid. It is ridiculous when people do that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I think it happened because we kind of wait a lot for that 1 15-minute conversation.
Correct.
We kind of wait for 1 to 2 hours and everything.
Yeah.
But that, the reason why I love doing this is the sole reason. It's not even because I used to write before or, I love writing or whatever.
Nice.
वो कुछ नहीं है, वो सब कुछ साइड में रख दो, अभी सब कुछ मुझे नहीं पसंद, मुझे सिर्फ ये कॉन्वर्सेशंस पसंद है. The fact that sometimes I get to sit down with people who I've already interviewed a lot, and they know me by face, by name, and the conversations we have are so good and so enriching. I take away something from them.
Absolutely.
And it's beautiful. That's where I get my energy from.
Yeah. See, the biggest plus of traveling when you travel any place is the people that you meet over there.
Exactly.
Because they have such bizarre stories that you have never experienced, but you experience it through their words of what they have done. The same with this conversation. I'm taking away so much from you today, that I'm understanding who you are. And I would have never met a person like you before, but today I have that experience of who this person is.
Exactly.
And I'm going to use it in my life somewhere for sure. It just broadens your horizon so much.
Yeah.
I'll tell you this one incident. I was traveling, I was in France, I was in south of France, and I went to stay in some countryside, some village, and Anushka's friend had a B&B sort of over there, all right? I met the guy over there, much older, I think he was 60 or something. He has had such a fabulous life. So he goes to Tanzania. You
Something
get the
like
gist,
that.
yeah. So he travels every year over there, and he was a wildlife photographer. But what he does is he captures the relation between nature and humans. Wow. What that connection is, and the kind of stories that he's told me are so crazy, unheard of. I said, ये चीज ना दुनिया के बारे में मुझे कभी नहीं पता चलती अगर मैं इस इंसान से नहीं मिलता.
I know.
He told me about this one tribe. What they do is, if they want honey, they have this particular bird that chirps,
Okay.
and that bird takes them to a honeybee hive,
Okay.
and you get your honey out of it. In return, the only thing that the bird asks is कि अंदर जो larva होता है वो तुम bird के लिए छोड़ दो. So this is like a give and take that they have. That you take me to what I want and I'll give you what you want.
Wow.
But if you don't do that, if you mess with the bird, because they did do that sometimes, कि अगर वो larva नहीं छोड़ा, next time the bird will chirp and you follow the bird and you won't believe what the bird did.
Okay, that sounds very ominous.
Yeah. The bird took them right in front of a sleeping lion.
Oh my god.
This is the connection.
Oh my god.
कि do not mess around. I'm giving you what you want. Don't cheat me.
Wow.
Yeah. So ये stories आप कहाँ सुनोगे? आप तंजानिया जाके तो आपको नहीं पता चलेगी. But this happens in real life.
Yeah.
So it's just about these experiences that you meet people and you understand. And
Wow. But
yeah.
you never wanted to be an actor, did you?
I wanted to be a cricketer initially.
Yeah.
And मैं अच्छा भी खेलता था यार.
तो ये switch कैसे हो गया?
मुझे इंजरी हो गई. इंजरी भी क्या हुई थी? My height suddenly shot up. So this bone over here that you can see slightly popping
Yes,
out was
yes.
far few more inches on the outside. No injury happened. कुछ चोट वोट नहीं लगी थी. But this bone just popped out. And even if you would just do this, I would be on the floor for the next 5-10 minutes just in pain. So had to give it up क्योंकि मैं बैटिंग करता था. पैड भी पहन के अगर बॉल भी लग गई and ये मेरा फ्रंट फुट था तो I couldn't do it anymore. So then I gave it up and then my father he said why don't you try this? I'll show you the door. If you like it then you carry on. And that's how एक छोटी सी love story happened.
Wow. But that's a very huge decision even on your part, you know, something that you've been thinking of doing all your life.
Yeah.
And then suddenly you switch it up into something else. It
But
can
क्या
be tough.
all my life यार I was 14 when I did my first film. मतलब यार वो
भाई ये
सर
बहुत
से
ज्यादा
पाँव का
यार.
डिफरेंस नहीं पता था यार. आजकल के बच्चे बहुत अलग हैं. Today at 14 they have a lot more understanding of the world and I hate that and I do not like that. I
Why?
think because बचपना गायब हो गया है.
That is very true.
Innocence गायब हो गई
That
है.
is very true. Yes.
These cell phones and all of that are just a menace. When I see kids with cell phones and they are on their iPads, it really bothers me. I said, you will never make human connections again. You will never have those friends that you till today I call my best friends as best friends because it was a time when cell phones आ चुके थे but बहुत नए थे. So you form connection like this one-on-one, not on texting.
Very
I read
true.
off you, you read off me.
I completely agree on that
Yeah.
part. I mean, I seriously do have the same thought process that they are so इतना ज्यादा उन लोगों ने सोच लिया है कि ये करना है और वो करना है.
Yeah.
And they are very clear about what they want to do even from such a young age
Yeah.
that they don't dare to make mistakes in
Yeah.
their life.
It is crazy.
And
it is crazy.
उसी जगह पे opposite में career wise they are so sorted
Yeah.
that they don't want to make mistakes.
Yeah.
But उसी जगह पे दूसरी जगह पे with love they are all very unlucky. All these
Because
modern
you never have
dating trends
connections.
is exactly because
Yeah.
उनका actual connection तो phone से बन रहा है.
Exactly.
अब dating भी उन लोग phone से ही कर रहे हैं.
फोन से ही कर रहे हैं.
So in-
मुझे भी होता है यार. Now I'm on my phone for so many times. It is addictive. I'm saying it, but it has to be a conscious effort कि भाई नहीं देखना मुझे तो attention की problem हो गई है. My attention span has reduced so much because I'm watching 15 seconds of content and I'm switching on to the next one. I'm not paying there's no second thought into those 15 seconds. Otherwise, when you're watching something, when you're looking at something for a long time and I'm conversing with you, there's a give and take. I'm literally listening to you, absorbing and I'm replying to you. 15 सेकंड के वीडियो में क्या ही होता है यार.
कुछ नहीं होता
कुछ
है.
भी नहीं होता.
You can't even know the person.
Exactly. And there are so many newer things in your cell phones that the creativity out of things have gone. For example, ये मुझे ना Robin Uthappa, the cricketer, he's a dear friend of mine. So I was in his house. He's in Dubai, right? He lives in Dubai. So I was in his house and we were having this chat about, you know, how he's raised his kids because he has lovely kids and the way he's raised them and his wife Sheetal is phenomenal. I said, क्या तुम्हारा thought process क्या है? They said we give them 5 toys. That is all that they have. Birthday ke time pe, if they get an extra toy, you have to donate. I will take you to a place where you have to donate, so you know that there are people that do not have this privilege, and what you have is definitely a privilege. And what happens with 5 toys is that after a point, you have no new use of these 5 things that are in front of you. So now your brain has to work to keep yourself engrossed and involved in these 5 things. So what do? मैं कुछ नया करूंगा इन 5 चीजों से ही, मैं कुछ नया बनाऊंगा इन 5 चीजों से. तो योर क्रिएटिव जूसेस आर कॉन्स्टेंटली फ्लोइंग. ये नहीं कि अरे यार ये चीज से मैं बोर हो गया, अरे वो भी तो है, चलो मैं उससे खेलता, अरे उससे बोर हो गया, अरे 10वीं चीज वहां पे है, 50वीं चीज यहाँ पे है. You're not creating something out of it at all. There are no creative juices flowing. When you have limited things, you start trying to use those things in fresher ways. और जब रॉबिन ने ये बात बताई ना मुझे, मैं I started reflecting on my own बचपन की बातें. I used to have this set जहाँ पे वो metal के pieces होते थे, which you had to screw them together and you had to make. गाड़ी बनती थी उसमें से swing बनता था, क्या नहीं बनता था.
Yeah.
So that used to just keep me engrossed for days and days on end. That because I'm out of the same thing, I'm trying to make something new, I'm trying to create something new, which is my own creation. मैं इतना पागल हो गया था इन सब चीजों में that I used to have those G.I. Joe figures, a lot of G.I. Joe figures. तो मैंने कहा अब मैं क्या खेलूं उनके साथ, मैं कुछ नया करना चाहता हूँ. And I was a massive fan, still am a massive fan of wrestling, WWE.
Okay.
तो मेरे घर में वो टाइम पे कुछ रेनोवेशन चल रहा था, तो मैंने एक पीस लिया लकड़ी का, मुझे मिला. मैंने उसके नीचे कुछ स्क्रूज लगा दिए एंड ऊपर स्क्रूज लगा दिए और ऐसे रस्सी और नाड़ा बांध दिया मैंने. तो आई मेड अ रेसलिंग रिंग आउट ऑफ इट एंड मैं अपने G.I. Joe से उसमें खेलता था. एंड वो रेसलिंग में होता था ना, वो टेबल्स होते थे जो टूटते हैं, तो मैंने टेबल भी बनाए थे और मैंने उनको क्रैक भी कर दिया था कि अगर मैं कोई G.I. Joe फिगर गिरेगा तो वो टूटना चाहिए. This was just your creative juices flowing because you didn't have so many resources that you can just go from one to the other. You had to engross yourself in doing things.
That's phenomenal.
Yeah.
No wonder you're so creative, that's why. But this whole journey, in the span, like you said, 14 years old, you started your journey in this industry at that time. And now, I mean, it's a long journey.
Yeah.
It cannot compare to the kind of experience and the changes that you've seen in the industry as well.
Yeah.
But you know, there's this thought process very long back. Some pop star actually had said that he started out his journey very young. And maybe that is why he said that in a way it kind of, changed me as a person sometimes in a very negative way as well. I did have a very negative phase. So was there some kind of phase like that for you as well, where this industry kind of affected you in a very negative way?
Never. It cannot. I think I'm a little too strong in my head for things to change me in that way. Also because I'm happy with who I am. I'm extremely happy with my thought process. I don't get jealous of people. कल को कोई मेरा दोस्त उठ के कल सुपरस्टार बन जाए, I will be very happy because it's just not me. I don't get jealous. I'm just very happy if people are doing well. I'm happy because I have this weird belief, not that I haven't read any self-help books, but this is what self-help books teach about. That in my head, I feel end में ना सब सही होगा मेरे लिए अच्छा ही होगा. और ये thought मुझे बहुत पहले से है, पता नहीं क्यों. So even if it's a failure, it doesn't bother me. अगर आज failure है ना, कल failure होगा ना, परसों होगा, end में तो सब सही होने वाला है ना. I will get there. Maybe I'm taking baby steps today, but I will get there, and I'm happy with the way I am going. I'm happy that I've had a lot of failures. I know how to deal with them. I've been at a zero. इससे नीचे कहाँ जाऊँगा? एक छोटा सा step भी लेता तो वो ऊपर ही जाता है ना मेरे लिए. So I don't get jealous at all. I don't have this thought. I don't think industry can change me. No, it cannot. If I can't change the industry, I don't think the industry can change me.
Wow, that's a powerful thought. And I think that's a very beautiful thought as well, in a way. Like, it shows the kind of confidence and belief that one person has in their own destiny and their efforts and what they want to achieve in life. So that's very beautiful because for me, I am someone who sometimes मेरा हुआ है ऐसा चेंज कभी कभार हो जाता है like kind of some because I work because my family is very close to me. So sometimes it's not necessary कि मेरे को media industry change करेगी या the industry or the people I talk to or anything. No, it's not that. It's more like if my friends and my family are not keeping well, or if someone is affected in a certain way because of something that they are going through their life, it really resonates within me, and I also get affected negatively. So us time pe, to keep myself calm and to let that channel through myself, I do chanting and everything.
Great.
So that really helps me a lot.
Great.
So
Great.
I believe कि सबकी जिंदगी में वो tough situations तो आते ही होंगे.
यार of course आते हैं यार. You're human at the end of it. You're not a stone.
Exactly.
आपके up downs तो होते ही रहेंगे. But end of it, when you're going through a rough phase, when you're going through a bad time, you will have those thoughts, and it's fine. Don't curb yourself. Feel what you're feeling, because at the end of it, you will realize, once you come out of it, you will realize कि यार such a human thought to have.
True.
मैं थोड़ी भगवान हूँ यार कि मेरे पास मेरे दिमाग में कोई गलत चीजें आ ही नहीं सकती. सिर्फ ये पता है कि end of it is gonna be great, but go through those emotions, learn from it, and understand yourself. To understand yourself is the most difficult thing to do. कि आप एक सिचुएशन में आप किस तरह से रिएक्ट करोगे ना, आपको भी नहीं पता. अगर 2 मिनट के बाद मैंने अगर आपको गाली बक दी ना, तो आपको भी नहीं पता आप कैसे रिएक्ट करोगे, because it will be such a shock for you that why am I abusing you. So feel it, imbibe it, और समझ लो उसमें से और आगे बढ़ो.
But how do you keep yourself so strong? Like एक thought process से तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
एक ही thought process है कि कभी कुछ कि सब end में से.
But you don't do anything like this,
Nothing.
like meditative or anything.
Nothing.
Seriously?
Nothing. I've never done it.
आजकल सब लोग करते हैं.
अच्छी बात है, करना चाहिए. I believe, no, it's true. I really feel करना चाहिए. मैंने कभी नहीं किया. बस even Anushka and sister, they are very puzzled by me. They मेरी फिल्म रिलीज से पहले they are like कि aren't you like any jitters ये वो. I said no, not at all. और मैं यूं चौड़ा के बैठ जाता हूँ because I don't have a worry at all. थोड़ा बेवकूफ टाइप भी हूं मैं. मैं फिल्म अपनी जब मैं देख के निकला, मैंने क्या किया, लेनी नहीं थी, बट मैं चला गया गाड़ी के शोरूम में और मैंने कहा अपनी सबसे महंगी गाड़ी दिखाओ मुझे, जो कुछ भी है मुझे सबसे अपनी महंगी गाड़ी दिखाओ. क्यों नहीं? आई वाज जस्ट वेरी हैप्पी विद द फिल्म. हमने फिल्म जो बनाई है, मैं बड़ा खुश था उसके साथ. तब तो रिलीज के आसपास भी नहीं थे हम, काफी टाइम था उसके लिए. I was just happy. I said, film is great, ना, numbers जाए भाड़ में, जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा. This is just for me to please myself that I've done a good job in a film. I've been a part of a good film. चलो, इन छोटी चीजों में खुशी मिल जाती है. जाके गाड़ी देख ली मैंने, लेनी नहीं है, बट देखे तो सही.
वाह, फ्री ड्राइव लिया? बिल्कुल. अरे वाह.
2 दिन तक गाड़ी मेरे पास भी आके पड़ी हुई थी. I said, please लूंगा जरूर. आज नहीं लेनी थी, बट शायद अगले साल, 2 साल बाद, 3 साल बाद लूंगा जरूर.
Wow.
Yeah.
You do know that you are living by the laws of manifestation.
I got to know that much later.
Okay.
Yeah, when I heard about these things, पहले ये सब तो हमें पता भी नहीं था. Once you start reading books and ये सब नई चीजें हैं, I think that have been written down and all of that. Though people have been studying about this since a while. मुझे तो बहुत लेट मालूम पड़ा, and I was like, okay, I have been doing this since a while. It's in me. Nobody's taught this to me. Just go by it. अरे सब अच्छा ही होना है यार. I feel if you're a good person,
very true.
End of it, good things will happen to you.
I strongly believe on that.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
But as you were talking about today's generation, you are someone जिसने, मैंने पहली बार इंदु की जवानी के टाइम पे actually during the pandemic we were doing the Zoom call, and I still remember that Aditya had these very good thoughts about love. He was very strong about defining love in his life and the way he kind of talks about love. You talk about it very passionately. You talked about it that time as well, and you advised me actually, you go out there, meet people, and because वो अभी भी नहीं हुआ है मुझसे. यही होता है मेरे लिए, यही प्रॉब्लम है. I told you ना, I don't believe in online dating. I do feel that I need to sit down face to face and meet new people
Great.
and get that jitters also, and maybe not get those jitters as
Yeah,
well.
it's fine.
Just have fun.
Yeah.
So for me, that face-to-face conversation is very important.
I
But
agree.
abhi apparently it's like a must. With these all modern dating trends and everything, it's become very, I don't know, somewhere I feel pressurized also. Ki maybe I should do this, maybe then I will meet new people. But then I also feel a little, what trust issue ho jata hai. That uncertainty that what if I meet someone who is weird?
Yeah.
And just off the record weird, because we were talking about those also, you know, meeting weird people from dating sites and everything, and it
Yeah.
became like a topic of conversation. And now to abhi to aur bhi trust nahi kar sakte.
Yeah, I've never been on dating apps. I have Anushka ने मेरे लिए एक प्रोफाइल बनाया था Tinder पे, just to see. And she made it. And she was operating it only for a few weeks, just to see what kind of people.
Oh god.
Tinder swiping wala?
Yeah.
Okay, so what kind of people swipe on me and all of that.
Arre.
And it's not my cup of tea. I haven't been on any of these dating things. I just can't. It's not about trusting, not trusting. It's just not how I function. I can't build connections like that. And for me, you may not find me the most attractive when it comes to personality in one go, in one meeting. You will not. You may not. I don't know. But I know for a fact the kind of person that I am, you will fall in love with me because I give out love. I am that kind of a person. So, ये dating apps में एक बार मिलके वो, I will never find the kind of person that I am looking for. I need to know, I need to sit down, I need to meet bunch of times for you to get me and for me to get you and for this bond to actually form. That is why I'm somebody who's only had long relationships. I've not been this floozy and यहाँ से वहाँ मुझसे होता नहीं है. I've had that phase also, a very short span of time, and I've hated myself from the word go. I said, this is just not me. What am I doing? I'm not this person. I'm just hating being out there. I can't do these short-term flings and all of that. I need to have this long-term.
Same here. I
Yeah.
have the same issue. Maybe that's why I'm not fitting in, and I don't even know how to fit in.
Don't even.
Yeah.
Because there will be this one person who has a similar thought process as you, and you will attract this person.
But on that note, I want to know, ye, for you, what is an ideal date night? Because now, to obviously, you've gone to a lot of dates, I'm sure. But has she
I've
ever
only been
done?
on dates with my girlfriends. But yeah, no other dates. Yeah,
Why?
none.
Why?
I get nervous.
What nonsense?
I really do.
Kuch bhi.
I swear.
I don't believe this, because the fact is that he's meeting me for the second time. He doesn't even remember the first conversation we had.
यार मैं ना मेरा memory problem है.
Yes, and I don't blame him for that, because it was very
Also,
very
it was a
long
Zoom
back.
conversation.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
exactly.
I won't. When I'm seeing this person, I won't forget this face, this pretty face at all. Zoom
That's-
पे क्या है यार?
That's very sweet of him. But I have to tell you, the moment he sat down, he's only been very open, very, you know, like he's just out there. He's the most interesting person to talk to. I don't know how can you
Jeez.
say yourself that you're not a good personality on the get-go. I have liked you from that time itself.
Thanks.
Yes.
I don't know. I've had a lot of confidence issues when I was growing up, so it just stems from that.
I love the fact that she created a Tinder profile for you.
That was
Once
hilarious.
if I find someone, when I do find someone, I would also create a Tinder profile.
Please, once
Just-
what she did.
What?
There was one girl who was hitting on me, and I met this girl. I
Yeah.
won't take names. And I
Okay.
met this girl on an award function, which is Anushka's mom's award function, IT that she does.
Okay.
All right, and she started sort of chatting me up and sort of hitting on me. Obviously, I told Anushka about it so she started messaging me on Instagram, and I said, "Yeah, she's messaging. How do I avoid? What do I do?" She said, "Let me have some fun." So she started messaging, being me, and saying, "Yeah, let's meet, and we should catch up, and why don't you come home and this and that." All that jazz, and this lasted for like 5 days. and then she sent a picture of herself, Anushka, doing this, and said it was me throughout who was talking to you.
Oh. Oh.
For
Oh my
5 days.
god. Shit.
Yeah.
But this is interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like gaslighting someone, but
Hell yes. She's like, you knew that he is my boyfriend, and this is my event.
oh my god.
How and why?
Oh, so she knew it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I've
oh
never
my
hidden
god.
my relationship from anybody since the get-go. So
I
she
have
knew.
never been interested in relationships of anybody else's. It's a very weird thing.
Great.
You know, it's actually very weird. I have been told about this a lot of time. My colleagues are also, how do you not? Because you gossip a lot. And I'm like, I love taking information,
Yeah.
but then I don't know where to go out and give it to, because
Fair
I
enough.
have no use of anybody's personal life.
Fair enough.
I don't think, I mean, obviously I like these experiences that
Yeah.
I'm sharing from personal life and everything. Like अगर dating में कोई advice दे दे मेरे को तो मैं वो grab कर लेती हूँ
हाँ.
and then experiences grab कर लेती हूँ. मुझे easy पड़ता है
हाँ.
आगे जाके.
Correct.
But I do that for myself. I don't do it because I want to go out there and talk about, oh, he was in a relationship or she was in a relationship with this person. No, he's dating that person. I don't care who you date. I mean,
Neither
as
do
long
I,
as you're
but-
happy.
Neither do I, but I love having gossip. I
Exactly.
love getting gossip. Oh,
See, I'm meeting. I know we are likeable like that. Yeah.
absolutely.
Super.
बड़ा मजा आता है gossip जानने में. मुझे कुछ करना नहीं है उसका. मैं जाके किसी को ना बोलूंगा, मैं 2 दिन में भूल भी जाऊंगा, but I love getting gossip.
Same here. I love getting awesome. But has Anushka ever done something which has really, really left you emotional and loved? Like something completely, for you.
A lot of things. Now I have to think about this a lot. Like, what's the one thing that particularly is on top? So, after I lost my father, I was in an absolute shambles because, यार, मेरे को 2 चीज कभी नहीं सोचनी पड़ी थी लाइफ में कि मुझे डिसीजन क्या लेना है अगला, कुछ कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. So, she and my mom was in absolute shambles. So she somehow took over the entire responsibility, and we weren't even married at that time. She took over I had to shoot. I think I had to shoot for Empire after that, or Indu. Either of them. I had to shoot for kuch dinon ke baad hi. She immediately called up and she said, so and so's happened. Can we reschedule? I'll be on the schedule with you, but just give it some time. Any personal thing needed, she just took over. Like, I didn't have to raise a finger. I was in grief and I could just deal with my grief wholeheartedly because I didn't have to deal with anything else. Nothing at all. Even getting my father admitted in the hospital was, she took the responsibility of that. I had nothing to do. So I said, I forever owe her that. That in time of need, if she's standing there, तो मतलब मुझे और क्या चाहिए किसी इंसान से?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I completely understand. Because in a way, I don't know. Obviously, in time of need, ज़रूरत होता है. You need those people in your life
Yeah.
who will always be there with you.
Yeah.
But for me also, as a person, when I'm, what I am actually looking for is, recently I was talking to my friends and everything, and I realized that the thing that I'm really looking for in a partner is just the fact that my dad has brought me up in a very modern way.
Right.
Like, modern in the sense that he's never let me go away from my roots,
Yeah.
which makes me a very proud Indian.
Yeah.
But he's also always given me that, freedom of doing what I want.
Yeah, freedom of thought, freedom of expression.
And the choice. He's never said कि ये कर सकते हो, अच्छा ये करने दे रहे हैं.
Yeah.
That thing that, that comes that I am letting someone do, allowing someone do.
Yeah.
He's never done that with my, with mom
That's
or for
fabulous.
me and everyone. And
Yeah.
so that thing is something that I really take away. And that is one quality that I want to have even with my partner.
It's
The
the
fact
most
that it's
important.
as easy and comforting with him as well.
Yeah.
Just being there.
Yeah.
And he's okay with me doing whatever I want.
Yeah, it has to be an equal partnership. It can't
Exactly.
be that I need your permission or you are letting me or you're allowing me to do this. Nahi, bhai, tu kaun hai?
Exactly.
That I don't need your permission to do things. This is my life. I lead it a certain way. Yes, we are in a partnership, but I am an individual. I have my own baggage. I do things in a certain way, and I don't need your permission to let me come to work. Oh, yeah. Let her go to work, यार. I'm क्यों भाई? तेरे से पूछा किसने
Exactly.
था?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I kind of want that thought process and that comfort.
Yeah.
So it's as easy as breathing. It's not like I cannot breathe without you.
Yeah.
It's more like it's as easy as breathing with you. So yeah.
Fair. I like that. I like that you have your thoughts are very clear in, and it comes from the family that you come from.
Exactly.
Yeah, your thought process is entirely from there.
It's all
it's बहुत clear
a
है.
part of the experiences
Yeah.
that I'm looking at other people having and everything. And my
Correct.
sister is on online dating. So that is exactly the reason why I am not there on online dating.
Fabulous.
Yeah. Okay, before I let you go,
Yeah.
tell us one thing that makes you hatke and not so mainstream. I know. What do you have to say?
The fact that I'm not jealous at
True.
all, and I've faced this from a bunch of people. In my initial times also, people that have been close to me, supposed friends, and वो टाइम में ना वो coordinators होते थे. That you know कि coordinator बोलता था कि यहाँ पे audition हो रहा है ओशीवारा में, आराम नगर में, यहाँ फलाना ढिमका. मैं तो सब जगह ठोकरें खाई है, सब जगह पे. Every audition जहाँ पे भी पूरे बॉम्बे में जहाँ पे हो सकता है मैं सब जगह जा चुका हूँ. मैं सब जगह पे ऑडिशंस दिए. तो वो कोऑर्डिनेटर को कॉल करके बोलते थे कि इसको नहीं भेजना. एंड मेरे से रोज फोन पे बात होती थी, कैजुअली दोस्ती थी. एंड आई सेड कि यार ये क्या बात हुई जो तेरा. एंड दैट गाय वाज डूइंग अ लॉट मोर वर्क, अ लॉट मोर एड्स देन आई हैव इवन डन टिल नाउ. तो मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आता था कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है. बट आई नेवर हेटेड ऑन द पर्सन. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. यार तुम्हें मुझसे प्रॉब्लम है बट मुझे तुमसे शायद प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. And I let go of these things. You're nice. If you're nice to me, I'll be nice to you. On the face, I'll be cordial to you. I know what you're thinking back of the mind, but that doesn't affect me at all. So I think that is one quality that I have is a little different.
And I'll give you another one.
Please.
The other one, that is definitely one.
Mhm.
But the other one is also the fact that you don't follow the bandwagon.
Yeah, I don't.
The fact that if there's something happening out there and many people are following that,
Yeah.
you are someone who's not going to follow that.
No.
And you are someone who's going to think
Yeah.
before you act, and you're actually going to make your own decision that
Yeah.
that afterwards also, in the future also, you can stand by. And I love the fact that you're so principled about it.
Yeah. You know, so many people have asked me about a bunch of films that I've done. Ki, you know, do you regret doing this film? I said, why will I regret doing whatever I have done? Firstly, nobody put a gun on my head and said that you have to do this. So it was my absolute decision. Knowing the fact it could be good or it could be bad, but I was ready to accept that. I said, तो मेरे को regrets इन चीजों का है नहीं. Projects that I haven't even done or missed out on, they asked me, do you regret missing out on this? I said, no. मेरा decision था ना बोलने का. मुझे कोई regret ही नहीं है. वो भले ही 1000 करोड़ कमा ले वो picture, पर मुझे regret नहीं हो सकता उन चीज का, because it was my absolute decision. If you make me take a decision, I'm gonna hate every bit of it. Every bit of it. If it's not mine, I'm gonna hate every bit of it.
As I told you, I am reading you very well.
You
I
are.
like that.
You are.
Okay, so before I end this conversation, I have a rapid fire, very quick one.
I'm bad at these things.
No, you're very good. This is about you only.
Okay.
Okay, so my top 3 rapid fire. Okay, so 3 movie directors you want to work with.
Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, Farhan Akhtar, and Raju Hirani.
Wow.
There's Bhansali sir also in that, but yeah.
Super.
Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra is number 1 because he's made Rang De Basanti.
Wow. Okay. Okay, 3 actresses that you wish to pair with on screen.
Alia,
Hmm.
Konkana Sen Sharma,
Hmm.
and Kareena Kapoor.
Nice choice. Wow. 3 movie genres that is on
3
your
movies?
list. Genre.
Genres on my list that I would want to do. Psychological thriller has to be one.
Yes, please, yes.
I want to do something like that. I want to do one out and out, like रुला देने वाला romantic film.
अरे
Like
भाई,
रुला देने वाला romantic
like
film.
कलो ना हो.
Yeah, it has to be. There has to be like love pouring out. Like, you know, you have to fall in love with the film, with the character. I want to do something like that. Honestly, just these two.
Okay, cool. Not horror.
मेरी खुद की फटती है फिल्म्स देखने में यार. मुझे अनुष्का कभी लेके जाती ना हॉरर फिल्म्स के लिए, तो मैं बिलीव मी दिन होता है ना उसमें, तब मैं देख रहा हूँ. जैसे शाम या रात होती है तो आई एम लुकिंग अवे, व्हिच इज 75% ऑफ द फिल्म. आई एम लुकिंग अवे एंड वहां पे फिल्म चल रही है. आई कांट लुक, आई कांट सी. आई एम टू स्कैर्ड.
अरे, I love horror.
I can't.
3 actors who are your inspiration.
Hrithik Roshan, absolute inspiration. There is Shah Rukh Khan and there is Ranbir Kapoor.
Good choices, yeah. That is so cool. And with that, I end this very lovely conversation with you, Aditya. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you
I
for
really
having me.
hope you had fun.
I did. How long has it been though?
I have no idea. I lost track of time. I never see time when I'm
Yeah,
sitting down.
please,
for
because
this.
even I was having a good
That's why
time.
पूरे दिन में मैं सिर्फ एक ही रखती हूँ.
Best.
लेकिन it's like it's the most enriching
I could have
conversation.
gone on for a lot more.
This is something, especially from someone who's just said that I love being on set more than doing this.
Yeah, but you know, once it's a conversation, when I'm connecting with
Exactly.
somebody, it's so easy.
And that is why you know why podcast is great.
Hell yes.
So
Now I get
you
it.
are watching it. So see और आओ
Please.
podcast पे आओ.
और देखो सब देखो. बड़ा मजा आता है.
Exactly. And this was me, Manjari Mukherjee, signing off from Pop Diaries channel. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and definitely don't forget to comment and tell me what you loved about this conversation. Until next time, bye.